Hello everyone, this is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. I'm an Austin realtor, and today I am standing in front of this house that I just sold for my clients. And the location for this house, it's in Temple, Texas, which is about 45 minutes away from Leander, Texas, or an hour away from Austin. So it's right directly north of I-35 from Austin. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Very beautiful floor plan. I think you'll like this house a lot. It's a little bit different from a normal new build homes where everything is open. This house is kind of unique because it has a different location for the kitchen, the nook area, the family room. So everything, the layout is just beautiful. The owner who has left this home to move to another state, but she was a teacher, and looks at the decoration and the colors, and also the what you call the moldings around this dining area that she put in. It was very northwest or northeast type of design. So it's a beautiful home. Let's tour with me around this house. This home is more than 15 years old. It's very, very nice condition and really well kept. As you can see, up above the sink, there's lighting that design around, give a very nice touch to the kitchen, and also the countertop and the bars. The lighting on the walls right there has been designed by the owner. They actually have one switch that turn on this light in the hallway would make it really nice and give you like a touch of the modern and also classic touch as well. And here is another shelf that you can do decoration and the lights, leading you to the master bedroom. The master bedroom, look at the ceiling. It has multiple layers. Built up there is pretty unique. Overall, this house has about, I believe, 12 feet ceiling height. Given it one story with this ceiling height is just perfect. Very nice natural light, and each house has a very decent size of closet. And this is another room that's a bedroom that has multiple windows. Take a look. There's also windows up there, and there's window down here, and they're very low, so it's more like a bay windows kind of. And then also a decent normal closet. So that is concluding all the rooms that we are touring today. Oh, by the way, there is a very nice fireplace in the family room, which I just wanted to call out. This tile is beautiful. The color of the tile is very contemporary and very modern. Welcome back. I appreciate everyone who watching this video today, and this is the house that was sold for my client, and they're going to be moving in next Monday. The location for this house is in Temple, Texas. Temple is about an hour away from Austin. And if you have any questions related to buying a house in the Austin surrounding area, it doesn't matter what city in Texas, I should be able to help. And if I cannot help, I can always introduce you or refer you to one of my partner clients in the city that can help you as well. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.